Hey guys, hope you're well. So today I'm making something that's going to be really familiar to all of you. You probably made this in your college days or even last week for tea. This is called chili con carne, or what my sister will call it, chili con carne. Now, this dish is so simple to make because practically you just throw everything into a pot, boil it up, and serve it. Simple. So first of all, let's cut up the ingredients. I am using some peppers over here. I'm using a yellow pepper, but if you can get hold of red ones, use those. I'm gonna chop up some onions into half. Now that's done, let's start cooking. I'm going to add a tiny bit of oil. The first thing that we're going to throw into our saucepan is our onions. Just saute the onions till it's a bit lightly brown. Then we're going to add in the beef. I'm using beef mince over here. If you want to use lamb, feel free to use lamb. Or if you want to use pork, you can use pork as well. Next part, I'm gonna add in my chopped tomatoes. I'm using like canned chopped tomatoes over here. Mix this well. And to this, I'm adding some red kidney beans. There we go. For every chili that you make sure to pop in a cube of beef stock. If you don't have beef stock, don't worry, you can use vegetable stock as well. Next, let's add in the peppers. Now guys, a chili con carne will not be a chili con carne if you don't have some chili. Now you might be wondering, like, why didn't I add like garlic and other aromatics in there? It's only because Mak Tok's fire chili paste has got all this covered. So let's just use that. Now let's give it a good taste. Yum. Oh, just got the right amount of kick. Now I'm gonna add a bit more salt. And our chili con carne is done. Or my sister will call it chili con carne siap. Okay guys, let's plate it up. And I'm gonna garnish it with some fresh parsley. Finally, let's add some toasty bread. Time to tuck in. I'm gonna have this. Yum. I just love the tomatoey beefy flavor as well as the fire chili paste that gives it a nice smoky all-rounder flavor as well. That is so amazing and it's so easy to make, guys. I'm sure you'll master how to make a delicious chili con carne with Mak Tok's fire chili paste in no time. Guys, if you enjoyed this video recipe, why not give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends? And if you got any other questions or suggestions, just leave it in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!